Click subscribe and bell icon to get regular notifications.
Hello everybody, I am Dr. Prashit Gaddam, Senior Consultant Orthopedic Surgeon, Yashoda Hospitals, Malakpet, and I am a specialized knee and shoulder arthroscopic surgeon. Today I will be speaking on shoulder dislocation and its management. The shoulder dislocation is a very common injury in orthopedics. The causes being, main cause would be an injury with a fall or direct impact on the shoulder, and secondary causes like post-epileptic seizure disorder can also lead to dislocation. Coming to management of an acute shoulder dislocation, which is an emergency, the dislocation has to be reduced under anesthesia in an emergency procedure. So what exactly happens in a shoulder dislocation is this is called as a humeral head, and this is a socket which is called as a glenoid. So when the shoulder pops out from the glenoid, it is called as a shoulder dislocation. Now when this happens, the head has to be put back into the glenoid cavity as early as possible because it's an emergency. Now if a person has a shoulder dislocation which comes very repeated and has a multiple episodes of dislocation, then the management changes. It is purely a surgical management which is termed as a Bankhart's repair. But before going for a surgery, a MRI has to be done to have a proper evaluation of the tear in the shoulder. Normally what happens is whenever there is a dislocation, there is a layer called as a labrum which is torn. So if this layer called labrum is torn, usually the ball pops out from the glenoid cavity. So in an arthroscopy, which is a keyhole surgery, what we do is we repair the labrum, which is a thin layer surrounding this part of the glenoid, back to its bone. So it is done with an anchor suture, which are available in a titanium and bioabsorbable material. So once the repair is done with an arthroscopy procedure, patient can be mobilized after 3 weeks. So usually the recovery time is around 4 to 6 weeks for any patient. So this is a definitive procedure in patients who has a recurrent shoulder dislocation. So who are a patient or any patient who has a recurrent episodes of a shoulder dislocation requires a Bankart repair, arthroscopic Bankart repair. Now amidst this corona crisis, if the patient has a recurrent shoulder dislocation, we advise him to go for a repair because of the instability problem. And it can be done in an arthroscopic procedure. You need not open the joint. So I feel it is safer to go for a arthroscopic recurrent dislocation repair even in a COVID crisis. Thank you for having me here.